How to make camping easier through technology. When some people think of camping, they think of roughing it like they do on the popular survival shows. This is not how it has to be. You can enjoy your trip and avoid bugs if you take time to create a proper plan. Read on to learn what it takes to plan a great trip. When you decide to go camping, you want to make sure that you bring a flashlight with some batteries. You want to be able to see in the middle of the night just in case you have to get up and go to the bathroom, or just to move around. Always take a fully stocked first aid kit when you venture out on a camping trip. You can put together your own kit with bandages, gauze pads, tweezers, scissors, antibacteria cream and antiseptic wipes in a sturdy container. You can also buy one of the many excellent ready-made kits to save time. As a courtesy to other campers, don't leave your lighting on overnight, if you are close to others. Pack a timer that you can attach to your lights that will automatically shut them off after a certain time. Leaving lights on overnight is a popular complaint among most American campers. Always pack and carry a survival kit. In your survival kit, be sure you have waterproof matches, a flare gun, a first aid kit, water purifying tablets and a knife. This kit can keep you alive. Always carry this pack with you instead of leaving it at the campsite. This information has helped you see that camping can be enjoyable and successful. Use this information as a great guide to planning the next outdoor adventure you wish to go on. Using these tips will make your camping trip a great experience while allowing you to avoid common pitfalls. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.